How to unblock someone from Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can unblock a certain user that you have blocked or that you had previously blocked on your Snapchat. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide it through quick with this video. First things first, you want to open up your Snapchat and open up the account that you wish to unblock someone from. Then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner and head over to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, you can simply tap on the settings of the gear icon at the top right corner, and now here scroll down. Now if you scroll down here, you shall find the option that says blocked. So under account actions here towards the bottom, you can see blocked users option. So you want to tap on it, and now you'll be able to see blocked users. You can simply tap on the cross icon beside the particular user that you wish to unblock, and it'll ask you for confirmation that you really want to unblock this Snapchatter. You want to tap on yes, and they'll be unblocked. So this is how you can easily unblock someone, or how you can unblock a particular blocked user that you had blocked on Snapchat. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.